Hey, what's going on, guys? Tim here again. Got another community spotlight video for you today. And yeah, this is today's Weaver Spotlight. And yeah, this is the latest episode of the Weaver Spotlight. So for those of you that aren't aware, the Weaver Spotlight is just a simple video that I do to showcase a fellow paracordist that's on Instagram or whichever, social media they're on, usually Instagram. And this is just a member of our, paracording community that I think could deserve some attention because they're doing great work. So for today's episode, I wanted to spotlight someone that has less than 1,000 followers. And today I've chosen Sean E over at East Coast Cord. So let's see. I've been following Sean for a little while now, and he does very good work, as you can see. Let's just look at this latest picture. Sanctified Swerve. Original design by JLF Paracord Customs. So awesome. I mean, this is pretty cool. I've never tackled a project this complex before just because I'm kind of lazy, but that's really cool. Hats off to you for doing something like that. Not everyone can produce complex, thick, paracord bracelets that are, kind of complicated to weave like this. So what is this one? Sanctified Fishtail. Oh, this was his entry for the Not Games 2018. So that's really cool. What caught my attention lately was this, the Deadpool fishtail he did. This is really cool. I'm going to have to do a tutorial for this. So awesome. And he also did a second version with it, or he re-entered it with the white details for the eyes. I kind of like this one more though. I don't know, I'm a simple guy. I like less complicated things, but both look really cool. Yeah, so as you can see, Sean does a lot of different types of projects, mostly wide bracelets. This is sick. That's crazy. It doesn't look too complicated to do, but still, I mean, the effort to do that, it takes a while. These projects are not something you whip up in 15, 20 minutes. So that's really cool. Ooh, got some Spider-Man paracord bracelets and stuff. I know where that came from. So yeah, as you can see, Sean does some really cool stuff. A nice multitude of different types of projects and some decent photos too. This picture caught my attention. Now if that's not, dedication to paracord, I don't know what is. He's doing, what is this? Oh, it's a dog collar? Yeah, a collar. He's using his steering wheel and his belt as a jig. That's pretty awesome, man. I got to give you credit for that. I've never done that too. And you got paracord on your steering wheel too. So that's extra points for that. Pretty sweet. Oh, and we've got a Baines cuff. I think this is the wide one, not in loop. Courtesy of yours truly. Shameless plug. Anyhow. Yeah. Oh yeah, he did. This was interesting because he changed up the way he finished the Baines cuff, and that definitely looks better than the way I did it. Absolutely. So definitely check that out if you're interested in finishing off the Baines cuff. Oh, and the Type Y as well. Really cool. Gutted strands on that one. I like the look of that. It probably made it. See, that's the original with the full cords, non-gutted, but I like that look of the gutted as well. Really cool. So yeah, Sean over at East Coast Cord, go check him out. He deserves a lot more followers than he has right now. He's only at 798. I think he deserves quite a few more. So definitely go check him out. Give him a follow. Let him know I sent you. I'll put his link to his Instagram down below, but you can also just go on Instagram, look up East Coast Cord, no spaces, and check it out. East Coast Cord is today's Weaver on Weaver Spotlight, and I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Also, if you guys have any paracordists or paracord people that or paracord Instagram accounts that you think deserve more followers, comment down below and link me up to some different paracordists out there. I'm always on the lookout for people that deserve more attention. So yeah, let me know, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you will give East Coast Cord a follow. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.